back to my channel. So we're back again with a Colourpop trio for review, and today I have the Can You Not, spell K-N-O-T. It is a stunningly beautiful trio of lippies, and this is what the packaging looks like. Beautiful. I love the art deco-ish with the dark purple and the gold foil on top. It is absolutely stunning. I kind of wish I could just keep all of the packaging and then put it up somewhere. I have no idea how to do that actually. If you do use packaging in a different way to decorate, please let me know, because they are absolutely gorgeous and I always feel so bad throwing them away afterwards. But anyway, so this one comes with a mixture of the Colourpop liquid lipstick formulas, and these are what they look like. So they're all kind of dark, plummy, purple, violet shades, which are right up my alley. And you have 3 different formulas here. So you have an ultra matte, ultra satin, and an ultra glossy. So I insert all of the swatches here for you, so let's get to it. Let's start off with Notion. Now this is in their ultra matte lippies, and for a dark lipstick color, this is kind of a really super vampy violet shade. And for one of the darker colors, actually this one goes on quite smoothly. It's still not perfect though. I still get patches where it kind of catches on, and I can't really get a straight line without using a lip liner with it, but it was really thick, really opaque, and it felt really nice on the lips. I have Hutch, which is another really beautiful shade, and this one is in their Ultra Satin formula, so it goes on really smoothly as well. Really opaque, full coverage color, and feels really nice on the lips, so I do really like this shade actually, and I think I'll keep on wearing it. We come on to the final shade, and this is the reason why I ended up getting this lip trio, is for the shade Sookie, and it's in their ultra glossy formula. And what I really love about this is one of their creme lip glosses, so as you can see it's a really pigmented gloss, and it feels really kind of smooth, really moisturizing on the lips. It's got a kind of almost sheer color going on, but still you get this amazing pigmentation, which is really quite rare in a gloss form. So I really like this. I think this is so easy to throw on. It's not, you know, it kind of is not one of the shades that is difficult to throw on, because even though it's really dark, because you kind of just have the gloss and you can reapply as necessary. And I really love the glossy formulas because they're kind of a little bit tacky, but they're not gloopy or sticky at all, so they feel really comfortable to wear. And I find that none of my, you know, if the wind blows, my hair's not going to get kind of caught up to it, it's going to streak everywhere. So I really like this shade, and I really like it in this formula as well. If you're someone who really likes dark vampy shades and you really want to try out all of the different formulas from Colourpop, I would recommend picking up this trio in Can You Not, because you get a really good range of the ultra matte, ultra satin and ultra glossy lips, and all of the shades look really nice. So you just have to work a little bit more with the ultra matte and ultra satins to make sure that you have a nice line, but otherwise there's nothing really much a lip liner wouldn't fix, to be honest. And I really like the fact that they're really pigmented as well. So my favorite out of the three is definitely this one that I'm wearing right now, which is in the shade Sookie, and it's just really lovely and glossy and beautiful, so I'm gonna keep on wearing this one. And that's pretty much it. So if you enjoyed the review, please click the like button below. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. Click the Click the subscribe button down below, as well as the notification bell, so that you'll get notified every time I upload a new video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!